Hi, in the last video I made a 2D game using Godot documentation. Watch it. Watch it. Below your first 2D game, there is your first 3D game. That make me thinking, I never made a 3D game. So in this video I'll make a 3D game using Godot documentation. Hit the like button. That's really make me move on. I opened Godot and create a new project. Your first 3D game. Then they will give you a project to download that has the sound and the art like the player in 3D and the enemy. The first scene I made is the main scene, which contains the world and the ground, which is a static body 3D. You think it's 3D? Nah man, it's 3D. Collision shape 3D and the mesh and the directional light 3D. After that I made the player's scene and I did all the steps to make the player collide with the ground and not fall. The next step is making a script. No, you are close, but no. Before making a script, we have to set the input mode, which are move left, move right, move forward, move back, and jump. I will use the arrow keys to make the player move. Then add a script to the root node. And man, the same fucking problems. But I fixed the errors. Instancing the player to the main scene and adding a camera. In 3D, in Godot, you have to add a camera to play the scene, not like in 2D. So setting up the camera and another settings. Now if I pressed F6, I should make the player move with the arrow keys. Yes man, fuck yeah! I made a player moves in 3D. That is so good. Making the enemy scene, which is the same as the player scene, with the one additional node, which is, man, you're right, visibility notifier 3D. I have to clap for you, man. Then adding a script to it. After that, setting the Windows resolution, which is 720 in the width and 540 in the height. And yeah, that's the game. Wait, what? That is the game? You didn't make the enemy follow the player. Yes, that is the game. I tried to make the enemy follow the player, but I failed to do it. There were a lot of problems and errors. That's why I stopped here. To be honest, Godot 3 is not good in 3D. I'm not talking about Godot 4. I didn't use it, but I'm not good in 3D. That's the truth. I have to develop myself in it, but not now. Why? In the next video, you will see why. And as always, until then, keep it simple.